Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Araven. If you are new here, welcome. Right before I start talking more about what I'm doing, make sure that you are subscribed down below so that you are updated when new videos are uploaded. So right now I'm just going in with my eyebrows using the Uoma Beauty Baby Hair Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the shade 06. Also in this video, I'm just going to be highlighting a couple of products that I recently got my hands on that I really enjoyed using. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon to clean up my eyebrows a bit, just because I have not shaped them in a minute. So this cleanup is very much so needed, and it just makes everything look neater. The next product I'm going in again is with the E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Now this is in the shade Deep Olive. I originally got this to highlight with, but as you can see, it is a bit too light for me. So we're going to use it here to prime my eyelids before my eyeshadow. I like to do this because it helps make my shadows pop a lot more. So the first product that I want to highlight is this Ciate London The Velvet Palette. I got this in my January subscription box of BoxyCharm, and I just love how vibrant all of the colors are. The shimmers, the mattes, I really like, you know, the little color scheme that they have in that palette, and I really feel like I'm going to get a good look out of it. I do think all of the shadows are very pigmented. They have definitely a good bit of payoff. I hope it transcribes on my iPhone. That is what I use to film. But I love the shadows. They're very pigmented, and that's what you want. It's what we all want. I don't know why, but for some reason here, like the shimmer isn't showing up how it was in person. This shimmer was sparkly, honey. It was sparkling. You could see it from space if you wanted to, but for some reason it just didn't really pick up that way on camera. But I'm telling you, the pigment paid off. I'm still here packing it on, but it paid off. And this one is actually kind of like a peachy type shimmer shade. So it could be that it's also, since it's on camera, maybe it's like kind of being muted by my crease color. But I mean, you see the pictures on the thumbnail. That tells you all you need to know. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Now I'm jumping into this new Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint foundation, or skin tint. Sorry. This is in the shade Hint of Truffle. So on this side I'm going to apply it with a brush, and on the other side I'm going to apply it with a beauty blender. I just did that so you guys can see the difference in the coverage. It is a sheer to medium coverage foundation. So this is described as a deep with neutral golden undertones, which I have noticed that sometimes neutral foundations work for me. I don't know why, because I definitely have more warm, more golden undertone, but it's been working for me. It claims to last up to 16 hours. I don't know about y'all, I'm not wearing this for 16 hours. It's supposed to be water resistant, sweat resistant, and transfer resistant. Hydrates skin for up to 12 hours. Seals in moisture and nourishes dry skin, which is great because I have dry skin. And it is non-comedogenic and vegan. Only thing I don't like about this packaging is just the dropper form. Like, you could easily mess up that bottle with that dropper. Here I'm just going back in with the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon to highlight. I learned this new technique from, I was watching Arnell Armand, and she was doing TikTok hacks, and she did her foundation or concealer this way, and it's supposed to help lift your face kind of. But yeah. Also, I got this sponge from Target. It is the Sonia Kashuk makeup blender. I hope I pronounced that right, but I got this because I saw it in Andrea Renee. I believe I'm saying her name right. Andrea Renee. I got it from one of her Target hauls, I think that she did. And I just thought, I live right across from a Target. Why not go pick it up? And, you know, this is a great blender, but I also realized how people spend a lot of money in Target. You find stuff in there that you don't think you need, but you do. But yeah, I like this blender. It worked pretty well. I really like the size of it too. Okay, now I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. This is in the shade medium. I take that under eye first, and then I will lightly dust it over my whole face to set my whole face. Next product I'm going in with is the Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer in the shade medium dark. It is actually kind of too deep for me. I'm very light-handed with this, and that's crazy. Like, since when have chocolate girls had a bronzer that was too deep? We didn't used to have that, but I'm gonna use it because I got it, and I just haven't had the time to get a different shade. And it just, I mean, it still works. I just have to be a little light-handed with it. I'm also gonna kind of bronze my nose, kind of use it as a contour at this point. I usually don't do this, but something told me to, so I went ahead and did it. Next, I'm going in with this Steve Laurent blush shade. I am blushing. I can't remember if I got this from BoxyCharm or from Ipsy, because I've had both those subscriptions, but I love this blush. I don't know, I just love it. I kind of went a little OD, so I kind of went back in with my blender. Next, I'm coming in with the Ofra Madison Miller collaboration highlighter in the shade Sea Shimmer. I also use this shade on my eyebrow bone and a little bit on the top lip. What's that? The Cupid's bow? I think that's what they call it. I also went in on the Cupid's bow with that highlight, and it was popping. I'm going to go back in with that Ciate London palette and go under eye with some eyeshadow. I usually do this after I conceal, just because I feel like if I did it before when I went to conceal, it'll cover it up. So going back in and putting the finishing touches on this eye look. I did this makeup look right before wash day because it was time. My hair, once it comes up in this poof, that means the curls are falling and it's time for another wash day. And I'm going to use this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and go in with the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. Now this mascara, I don't know if you can see it right at the top. It's kind of clumpy, and I don't know how to stop that. I don't think you can, but I try to like avoid that back part just so it's not like all over on my eyes. Now I'm gonna go on my lips with NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Maison. I say lingerie because I used to watch Vines all the time, and it was one Vine. They were like, they're going to go to Lingerie, or gonna get Lingerie from Target. Anyway, I'm going in with these Kiss lashes. This is in Little Black Dress. Right here, I'm just kind of fitting them to my eye first, seeing if I need to cut anything. And you definitely want to do this because, you know, not all lashes are made for all sizes of your eye. You know, you have to shape them. And make sure you do this for both eyes. Don't assume that your eyes are the same shape, because ironically, they are not. And take as much time as you need here. I know it's weird. Like, I'll go in with the tweezer, and then I gotta go in with my fingers. I don't know if that is. Especially on my left side. Like, I know y'all saw that. I'd start over. Make sure you push those lashes down so you can get straight to your lash line. But yeah, it took, you see me struggling. It took some time, but we got it. Hey guys, now I'm back with bangs. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below on what you think about this look, if you plan on getting any of the products, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.